Dental implants are the best and most popular long-term option for restoring missing teeth. A dental implant is a small titanium post that is placed within the jaw. It acts as a replacement for your missing tooth root, promoting oral health and preventing jawbone deterioration. Once the implant has fully integrated within the jawbone, the final crown restoration can be placed. The crown connects to the implant through an abutment. The final restoration looks, feels, and functions just like a natural tooth. If properly cared for, dental implants are the longest-lasting tooth replacement option that's available. Dental implants can be used to restore a single tooth, multiple missing teeth, or to replace the entire arch of missing teeth. During your initial consultation, we will complete any necessary imaging, discuss your restoration goals, and develop a customized treatment plan for you. It is our goal to inform our patients of all the options available and to provide them with the highest quality of tooth restorations.